Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum children, how are you? I'm your teacher Ma'am Huma and I'm taking class prep English subject. Today you are watching Show and Tell lecture number 29. Everyone please raise your hand for dua. Dua for learning. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. What you need for today's lesson? Student book, activity book, literacy book with a pencil, sharpener and eraser. Please open student book unit 3, page number 29. Sing with me. Objective of the lesson is practice the new language through a song. Children, please open student book, page number 33 and write date 17th September, 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 2020, 17 September 2020, and then write capital H dot capital T, and then write Thursday, 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 Thursday. Unit 3, instructions are given, sing and do, count and write. What do you see in this picture? It's a picture about 3 characters, Benny, Fifi and Prickly, and what they are doing, they have gone in the jungle to find some treasure. They are going out for the treasure hunt. Okay, on this page on the left side, there are 3 different pictures are given of Fifi and Prickly. Look at the first picture. Under that picture, what's written there? Treasure hunt. TREASURE, treasure, HUN, hunt. Look at the picture which is given in the middle. And what's written there? Hare, HERE, hare. And look at Prickly. Prickly is going to find that hare. Here is treasure hunt. Look at the last picture. Fifi and Prickly, they are pointing to the something, and what's written in the picture? There, THERE, there. Okay. Now, in the middle of the page, 3 lines are given. There are dash pink beads, THERE, there, ARER, there are dash PINK, pink, beads, 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 beads. Kids, what you have to do, you have to look at the picture carefully. There are pink and purple beads are given. You have to count pink beads and write the correct number in the blank. Then look at the next line. THERE, there, ARER, there are dash purple, 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 beads, 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 full stop. Next you have to count purple beads and write the correct number here. And look at the next line. WEVHAVE, have, we have dash beads all together. ALTOGETHER, all together, full stop. Then what you have to do next, you have to count purple and pink beads all together, and then you have to write the correct number. And you have to do practice. There are 8 purple beads. We have 16 beads all together. You have to do the practice of these sentences at home.
138. Sing and do.
We'll
Please open student book page number 34. Objective of the lesson is practice words with the A sounds. Student, please look at page number 34. Write date 17th September, 2020. Then write capital H dot capital T and then write spelling of Thursday. Thursday, THURSDAY, Thursday. Look at the top of the page. Say it with me. Say, say. IT, WITH with ME, me. Say it with me. THER apostrophe S, there is a party. PARTY, party. Today. TODAY, today. There is a party today. Full stop. LET apostrophe S, let's. HAVE, have, let's have. Fun, fun. And, let's have fun. And play, 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 full stop. Can, YOU, you, can you. SEEC, THE, the. Way. Question mark. Can you see the way? Meaning of way is route. It's red. IT apostrophe S, it's red, comma. It's red, comma. BLUE, blue, comma. And gray, 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 full stop. Now what you have to do on this page, the colors are repeating. Look at the first, there are some dots given. Some dots are colorful, but some are in white color. What you have to do, you have to color them in a sequence. Look at the first dot. In the way there is that dot is red, then blue comes, then gray comes, then again red, and after red which color comes? Blue. After blue which color comes? Gray. Then again red, again blue, and again in the last dot, in the last white circle, you will color gray.
139. Listen and follow. Listen and repeat.
There's a party today. Let's have fun and play. Can you see the way? It's red, blue, and gray.
Children, please take activity book and open page number 28. Say it with me. Say IT, WITH with ME, me. On page number 28, write date 17th September, 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 2020. Leave space and write capital H dot T and then write spelling of Thursday again. THURSDAY, day, Thursday. There is an arrow you can see. There you have to write date on the top of the page. Okay, now the caption is number 1, join the A words, full stop, say. There are different words are given. I'm going to read from the first word, party, PARTY, party. Next word is today, TODAY, today. Next word is way, 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 way. Eat, EAT, eat. Say, say. Next word is birthday, BIRTHDAY, birthday. fun. Fun. Clap. 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 C-L-A-P. Clap. Play. 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 P-L-A-Y. Play. Mask. M-A-S-K. Mask. What you have to do, you have to join the words with A sounds like birthday, today, way, play, and say. Now look at number 2. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Full stop. In the word bank, again some words are given with the picture. Say. A. Say. W-A. Way. Play. P-A. Play. Gray. G-A. Gray. Okay, children. On this page, there are 4 pictures are given. Look at the first picture. There is a girl holding some toys in her hand. What she is going to do? She is going to play. Then you have to write spelling of play under this picture. Some blank space are given under this picture. There you have to write play. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Then look at the next picture. There you can see some trees and there is a way. You have to write spelling of way there. W-A. Way. W-A-Y. Way. And next there is a gray color. You have to write spelling of gray under that picture. And then look at the last picture. There is a boy. He is going to say something. You have to write spelling of say. S-A. Say under this picture. Now open please literacy book, page number 17. Listen and follow. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. A-N-D and F-O-L-L-O-W. Follow. Full stop. Listen and follow. Listen and repeat. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. A-N-D and repeat. R-E-P-E-A-T. Repeat. What's this? W-H-A-T apostrophe S. Words. This. T-H-I-S. This. Okay, look at the first picture. There are 4 pictures are given on this page. The story name is What's This? Question mark. Look at the first picture. T-H-I-S. This. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. This animal. I-S is. B-I-G. Big. This animal is big. A-N-D and G-R-A-Y. Gray. Full stop. Picture number 2. I-T. It. Eats. 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 It eats. Hay. H-A. Hay. It eats hay. Full stop. Now look at picture number 3. I-T. It. Can. It can spray. S-P-R-A-Y. Spray. Now look at picture number 4. It's running. I-T apostrophe S. It's R-U-N-N-I-G. Running away. A-W-A-Y. Away. It's running away. Words is it. W-H-A-T. What? I-S is. What is I-T it? Question mark.
1:14. Listen and follow. Listen and repeat. 1.
What's this? This animal is big and gray.
2.
It eats hay.
3.
It can spray.
4.
It's running away. What is it?
Okay, let's go ahead and learn about the sight words. Look at the first word, way. Way. Fun. Fun. Party. 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 Today. 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 See. Red. Red. Blue. 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 Gray. Gray. Hunt. Hunt. Beads. Beads. Okay, children, you have learned many things in this lesson. Revise this all at home. Inshallah, next week I will meet you again with a new lesson, new topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.